Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be evolving a lot of my Pokemon. So, first one, it's gonna be I guess. Wait, hold on. I'm almost close to evolving Slowpoke. Just need like 20 more. I could evolve him. So here we go. Ready, set, and there we go. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Did you see a Zapdos? There's literally just a Zapdos over there. Replay the video if you saw a Zapdos. And I saw Articuno and I saw Moltres. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. Bro, oh my god, it does so much damage. Bro. I'm gonna power it up. Okay, second we're gonna evolve is I'm just gonna do it for the fun because I just get a lot of XP. But I don't want to evolve it yet. I'm close to evolving Rowlife. Geodude. Close. There we go. Staryu. Oh my god, that looks so epic. Saw Mr. Man. It's not that bad. I'm just power it up one. Okay, that's good. So the next one we're gonna evolve is not Magnemite. Shelter. Wait, let me see if I have any more Shelders. Shelder. Oh, there you are. Sorry, I think I passed him. The heck, move that. What? Hey, that kind of looks like Ghastly. Inside of him, he kind of looks like Ghastly. Anyone else able? close to evolving him. I think honestly I'm so close to getting him. So close to evolving him. Literally, I only need one more candy. Now I only need one more for that one and one more for the other one. So if you guys can you sub and leave a like? It's free, so just do it because I know you want to. Nah, I really don't know if you guys want to. I don't know. So yeah, just leave a like and subscribe, and it would really help out the channel. So yeah, tomorrow I think I'm gonna hatch these eggs, and yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.